If you ride a Can-Am Spyder F3 or RT, you know shoulder and back pain can cut your ride short. The problem often isn't you, it's your handlebars. That's why we're proud to bring you the HeliBars, the most adjustable handlebar solution available for the Spyder. These bars give you 30 degrees of wrist angle adjustment, up to 4 inches of height, and up to 3 inches of rearward reach, so you can dial in a riding position that's custom fit for your comfort. Whether you're tall, short, or somewhere in between, HeliBars are built to keep you comfortable, reduce fatigue, and extend your riding time. Proudly handcrafted in the USA, HeliBars include all necessary hardware, so now follow our team as we walk you through the installation.
Before you begin, ensure that your bike is parked on level ground, your ignition is off, and that your parking brake is engaged.
Start by laying a large shop towel under the handlebars to protect the body panels. Remove the wire looms from the plastic clamps on both sides of the bars. Use a 5mm Allen wrench to remove the 2 screws securing the upper and lower bar clamp on the left side of the bars, and set them aside for now. Repeat these steps on the other side of the handlebars. Carefully pull out the right handlebar tube assembly from the centermost portion of the handlebar and rest it gently on the towel. Then repeat on the other side. Using a 7mm Allen wrench, remove the 4 bolts with washers from the handlebar clamp and set them aside for now. Next, remove the top clamp. The hardware and top clamp will be reused. This stock center handlebar section will not be reused. If your Spyder came equipped with a wire loom mounting bracket, like the one shown here, you'll need to remove it. To access it, first remove the lower handlebar clamp, then slightly lift the glove box to access and remove the screw using a T25 Torx. This bracket and its securing screw will not be reused. Reinstall the lower handlebar clamp. Grab your new handlebar assembly, and with the upper hardware facing the rear of the bike, align the slotted hole on the assembly with the center alignment pin before mounting it. Reinstall the top clamp with the factory bolts and washers, finger tight to start. Then, use a 7mm Allen wrench to snug the hardware most of the way, leaving some room for the bars to pivot slightly. Final torquing will be done after adjustments. Using a 6mm Allen wrench, loosen the outer bar clamp bolt. Then remove the inner bolt. Insert the handlebar tube adapter into the bar clamp with the hole facing outward and upward. Reinstall the inner bolt and tighten the outer bolt, leaving some room for adjustment. Repeat this step for the left side. Align the holes and insert the right handlebar tube into the tube adapter. Take the 2 handlebar tube clamp covers. The top cover has a cast alignment pin. Insert the pin through the hole in the bar tube adapter and handlebar tube, and secure it using the stock bolts with a 5mm Allen wrench. Repeat this step for the left side handlebar. To adjust the entire assembly forward and backward, loosen the bolts on the center bar clamp with a 7mm Allen wrench. Once you find the most comfortable position, tighten them back to the manufacturer's recommended torque spec. Adjust the handlebar tube pivot by loosening the screw here with an 8mm Allen wrench. Find the ideal positioning, then tighten them back to spec. Repeat for the other side. Adjust the forward and back wrist positioning by loosening the two screws here with a 6mm Allen wrench. Once set to the ideal position, tighten it to the manufacturer's recommended torque spec. Repeat for the other side. Adjust the rotational wrist angle up or down by loosening the bolt here with a 6mm Allen wrench. Once positioned correctly, tighten it back to spec. Repeat for the other side. Once all adjustments are torqued to spec, secure the wire looms to the handlebars with zip ties. Now, you can cap off all the hardware with the provided black plastic covers. Lastly, be sure to turn your handlebars from end to end to ensure you left enough slack.
When you're ready to grab a set of HeliBars for yourself, head over to slingmods.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you can stay up to date with everything on 3 wheels. Thanks for watching.